Well, my name is Scott Beckwith. I own and operate East Shore Mortgage Services, headquartered here in Brantford, Connecticut. I've been in the industry for 22 years. I come from a totally unrelated industry. When I graduated from college, I got a degree in marketing and sociology. I wasn't sure if I was going to be a social worker or if I was going to go into business. I decided that I would be better suited to go into business. So I took a job with a Fortune 500 company who I was with for about a year and a half. And I joined a networking group. And when I was doing my presentation on the company that I was working for, somebody in the back of the room said, "Boy, you look like you're miserable. Would you ever consider trying something different?" And I said, "Well, tell me a little bit about what you do." And he says, "Well, I own a mortgage company." And he said, "It's the best part-time job you'll ever have. Just do what I tell you to do for 6 months and you'll succeed." So talked to my wife, made the decision to jump into the business. He was 100% correct. It was an opportunity to be very successful. I wouldn't say it was the best part-time job I ever had, because it wasn't a part-time job. You work a lot of hours in the beginning, but it does pay off. And I think that's one of the things I like the most about this career, is if you put a lot of work into it, the benefits are great. So I'm in the real estate related business. I actually finance houses. So I am what they call a mortgage broker. So a mortgage broker is a little different than a traditional loan officer. As a mortgage broker, I act as an advocate for our client. And we go out and we shop a portfolio of different lenders throughout the industry to try to find the best deliverable solution at the best price for our clients. And so that's really what we do. And we get paid by these banks to offer this service. This is a free service to our clients. So there is no typical day. There is no such thing as a routine in our business. Every day is different. Every client is different. Every piece of property that we finance is different. That's what I think makes my job really exciting, is that we are problem solvers. So I have the ability to solve problems every day, and every day is different. What I find rewarding in what we do is we are problem solvers. We are looking to find the right mortgage solution or financing solution for our clients to put them into the home of their dreams. That's a very interesting question. What do I dislike about the business? It's kind of a two-tiered answer. What I love about the business is the day goes by very quickly. What I dislike about the business is there's never enough time. We can spend a lot of time in this business, and it can get in the way of family if you don't have a healthy balance. So it's very important to set guardrails and set schedules so you can maximize your time while you're working, and then really take the time and shut down so you can enjoy your friends and family. My personal values, as far as relating to work, just doing the right thing. If you do the right thing, the business will come. If you have to be dishonest to get a transaction, it will come back to haunt you. So we feel that if we do the right thing and the right thing always, the business will always come. And that's why our business has grown year over year since we started the company. It's very important when you do make a decision to go into the mortgage industry that you find the right company, a company that shares the same values as you, believes in the community as you do, and I think that's really important. Just that alone will determine if you're going to be successful with a company. I would consider the mortgage industry, because there's not a routine. My day changes. Some days I'm on the road meeting with realtors. Some days I'm meeting with financial planners. Other days I'm sitting with my sales team and we're building goals and objectives for them. Other days I'm just on the phones talking to clients, originating loans. There's no such thing as a routine. I don't sit in a cubicle. I don't have to report to a board of directors or upper management. So I think that's what makes our job exciting. As I had stated earlier, we're a family-owned company. We all make decisions as a family or as a small company. So there's not really this massive hierarchy. Why should you consider this a career? It's fun. There is an opportunity to get paid for what you produce. We joke about it here in the company. Your raise becomes effective when you do. It's true in our business. If you go out and you work hard and do right by your clients, you do get compensated for it. I can't think of another field that you can be in where you actually can control your compensation and offer a great service.